Hello guys, welcome to Real CAD CAM Solution. Today we're going to see the new software of mechanical design. The name of software is Solidworks. First of all, I explain the full detail in Solidworks. Just see the Wikipedia of Solidworks. Overall, so many companies and so many industry are we used in the software. The company of Solidworks software is Dassault System. This is one of the great software developing company. It's initially released on 1995 and November 1. Basically, full of CAM modeling software is it. The goal of building of 3D CAD software main focus on design. During the SolidWorks, currently make several versions of SolidWorks like a CAD software, highly collaborative and manufacturing software. These are all the history of release date. The initial release is 1995. We already know that. And then a market as a Dassault System SolidWorks. This is the main name of SolidWorks. Also can be making the modeling and technology also. This is one of the favorite softwares on mechanical field and easy to use, like a little bit of compared to AutoCAD 3D. It is also making first of all 2D and then convert to 3D sketch and shapes, etc. So many syllabus are provided in SolidWorks like Weldments, GD&T, 3D modeling, 2D drafting, assembly, presentation, animation, etc. And realistic rendering of photographic modeling also. Okay guys, we're just looking intro of SolidWorks. First of all, I choose the part model. This is my part model. First I go to set my unit setup. Just click to the down to the corner. I set millimeter gram second, mmgs. First we need to set the plane, and then we need to draw a line. Just listen how to draw a line. And listen how to measure the dimension using the smart dimension option. The same method of circle and any shapes, we can be used the small dimension method for measuring the dimension. And then I draw to the line as center to the point. The line name is center line. This is the center line. And then this is a midpoint. It can be denoted to find the midpoint of the line. Yeah, this is. Then I chose to the smart dimension. Then overall finish, just click the tick. This is the overall finish. Then I go to delete this. Okay. And then we go to set the another plane. Also same the top plane. Just click to the normal to view. And then I go to draw the rectangle. First of all, click the sketch, take the UCS option, and then go to select the rectangle. This is the corner rectangle. Just look how to draw this. I choose to use 50 mm width of the rectangle, and length of the rectangle I choose 100 mm. Okay, and I choose to the center rectangle. This is the center point of rectangle. You can be draw this any center point of the line or any center point of the object. Then I go to draw the 3-point rectangle. This is can be used 3-point of the object. Then I take over the 3-point of any surface. Like this. Just click and then click to the sketch, just right click, go to delete the option. It's eraser, and then go to draw the 3-point center rectangle. This is also the same method. First of all, I choose the plane because plane is one of the important working of Solidworks. This is the 3-point center rectangle, and like this. And the final one is a parallelogram. This is the inclined rectangle of a surface. Like this. Here we choose the angle of the rectangle also. I give the 45 degree. It's change over like this. Okay, the rectangle options is almost over. And then we go to draw a circle option. First we need to choose the plane. We go to draw the circle. Just click to the center point or coordinate point, anything else, and then go to measure the smart dimension. I already told, take to the smart dimension and measure to the dia of the circle. And go to draw the perimeter circle in between the 3-point of the rectangle. This is the perimeter one. Okay, it's cleared. and then go to my another option, taking over the polygon. Just giving to the side of polygon, I choose to give a 5 side. Just click over the UCS icon, draw to the radius. It's a two option presenter, inscribed circle and a circumscribed circle. The meaning of both as inside to the polygon and exterior side of the polygon. Just listen. Yeah. And then draw another type of polygon. It's a 6 side. The name of polygon is hexagon, and I choose to the inscribed or circumscribed option. Okay. Then I choose to draw another one option, trim. Just listen how to trim. This is the trim first method, power trim, using like a knife area. I choose to the 3-point arc, draw to connecting toward the both line. Choose to the radius. Also the opposite side. Also we draw toward the circle also, and then just trim towards the inside of the circle, or we choose the 3-point or center point or anything like this. This is the center point, and the tangent arc is tangent between the two lines. Like this. This is the center point arc, like tangent area. Then I choose to the top line and draw to the corner rectangle. I draw to the tangent arc, center point, and a 3-point. This is the 3 source type of arc. We already draw to this option. Draw to the 2 tangent area of line point, like this. Okay guys, I hope you to understand this video. If you like this video, just like, share and comment. Please subscribe to our channel guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.